Can you solve this simple math question? 6 minus 3 parenthesis 6 minus 3? If yes, then send in comment section and wait for my answer, that either your answer is right or wrong, because most of the people can solve this question by this wrong method. He can solve this as 6 minus 3 equals 3 times 6 minus 3 again equals 3, and 3 times 3 equals 9. But trust me student, this answer is absolutely wrong, because the order of operation, which is called PEMDAS rule. According to the rule of PEMDAS, first we can solve parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication and division, after that addition and subtraction. So in this question, first we can solve parentheses. 6 minus 3 equals 3, and then we can multiply with 3 again, because multiplication have higher priority than subtraction. So 3 times 3 equals 9, and 6 minus 9 equals negative 3. This is the final answer of this question. To see more maths video like this, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.